Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Before this you have heard about the formatting in Excel, that is formatting text or the formatting cells. So that formatting is basically the look and feel of the text or the cells, or you can say whatever the text or data is within the in the worksheet. But when it comes to conditional formatting, it means the change in the look and feel of the text, or you can say of the data, based on some condition or criteria. So it means that the color or the formatting of that text or the values will change if a certain condition or criteria is met. So we have multiple examples for explaining conditional formatting in Excel. So we'll start with this data first. Here we have a data of temperature, and what we want is highlight temperatures above 30 degrees centigrade in red and temperatures below 10 degrees centigrade in blue. So keep this in mind that this function is mostly useful when you have a large set of data and you can't check each and every value. So you just want an overview by highlighting your desired values. So here I want to highlight the temperatures above 30 degrees centigrade in red and temperatures below 10 degrees centigrade in blue. Let's see how we can do that. So what I will do is I will select the data, then I'll go to the home tab, and here we have a conditional formatting tab. If I click on the drop down, you can see multiple options here. But today we are going to discuss only the highlight cells rules. So there are multiple highlight cells rules when we click on this arrow: greater than, less than, between, equal to, and so on. So first of all, I am going to discuss greater than, less than, and between or equal to on this data. So for that, my purpose is to highlight the temperatures first above 30 degrees centigrade. So I will select this greater than, and I will, now it is written here, format cells that are greater than. I will write here not 20, not 22. I will edit it as above 30. So here is the option that what kind of formatting I want. I light red fill with dark red, or yellow or green. Or if you don't want these ones, you can also custom format according to what you want, like whatever the color or pattern or border or font you want. So if I select this blue color and I press OK, you can see here that the temperature above 30 degrees centigrade is blue in color now. So I will press OK. Now I have applied conditional formatting on this column. Now another important thing what I have written here is temperature below 10 degrees centigrade in blue. I have highlighted it with blue, the blue with the above 30 degrees centigrade. Now I will highlight it the temperatures below 10 degrees centigrade with the red. I have made it opposite. It's okay. You can do that. I will select it again. I will go to conditional formatting, then highlight cell rules. Now less than. So less than is less than 10 degrees centigrade. So I will write 10 here, and then I will select the color. If I say light red fill, it's up to me, and okay. So you can see here that only one temperature is below 10 degrees centigrade and only two are above 30 degrees centigrade. So this is how we have applied conditional formatting on this table. So same is the case for the, if I go to the conditional formatting and rules for greater than, less than, between, and equal to. All these four will be applicable on this data. Now what about the rest? In the next table, what I have is I have to highlight the rows where the status contains the text out of stock. Now here you can see that there is the category of the products, and here is the status of in stock and out of stock. So what I have to apply the conditional formatting on this column. I have to select it, then I'll go to conditional formatting, then I will go to highlight cell rules, and then text that contains. I will click on this. Now here I have to select what I want, in stock or out of stock. So if I select out of stock, so it has to be light red filled with dark red. So I'll press OK, and you can see here that only these two products are out of stock. So this is how you can apply conditional formatting on the texts. Then I have a table in which I have the dates. These are the different dates or the due dates of the tasks. And I want to highlight the rows where the due date is within the next 7 days. You can say, or the due date has gone, or due date. You just need to play with the due date. So I will select this due date, and then I'll go to conditional formatting again here, and a date occurring. Here this box will pop up. Now it depends on me what kind of formatting I want. Now, whether I want to highlight the cells of which in which the date has passed, or the date is coming, or it's today, or it's tomorrow, or it's in the last 7 days. So if I click on next week, like within the next 7 days, or you can say next week. So today is 21st and the next week is, I will start from 25th. So it has highlighted only 25th, 28th, 29th and 30. So this is how you can apply the conditional formatting on the dates. Lastly, we will see how you can check whether there are duplicate or unique quantities in a given set of data. So I'll select this data. Again, I will go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and a last value, that is duplicate values. When I select it, here we have two options. One is duplicate or unique. It depends on whether you want to highlight the duplicate entries or the unique ones. So here there are multiple duplicates. So I am going to highlight the unique ones so that you can have the idea of both duplicate and unique entries. So this is with the red and I will press OK. Now I will also highlight the duplicate ones. Let's see, but with the different color. If I say yellow, now, so that you can distinguish between the duplicate ones and the unique ones, and I will press OK. Now you can see that the quantities that are duplicate, like this 10, 10 and 10, these are duplicates. It is highlighted. 20 and 20 is highlighted, and the unique ones are with the red, that is 30 and 40. So this is how you can use conditional formatting in Excel. That's all from today's lecture. Thank you.